What if I told you that just a few hours outside your home could make it look tens of thousands of dollars more valuable? Most people think boosting curb appeal means expensive renovations. It doesn't. Start with the front door. A fresh coat of bold paint in black, navy, or deep green instantly creates a luxury first impression. Next, upgrade your house numbers and mailbox. Modern, oversized numbers and a sleek mailbox cost little, but make your home look professionally designed. Now look at your landscaping. Trim overgrown bushes, edge the lawn, spread fresh, dark mulch, and plant colorful seasonal flowers. These simple changes create a clean, high-end look. Don't forget lighting. Warm LED pathway lights and stylish porch fixtures make your home stand out day and night while adding safety. Pressure wash your driveway, walkway, porch, and siding. Years of dirt disappear in minutes, making everything look almost new. Finally, hide the clutter. Move garbage bins out of sight. Organize garden tools, coil hoses neatly, and keep the porch simple with a welcoming mat and a couple of decorative planters. The incredible part? Real estate professionals consistently say that strong curb appeal attracts more buyers, creates better first impressions, and can even help homes sell faster. Before spending thousands on renovations, start with the outside. Sometimes the biggest transformation begins before anyone even opens the front door. Follow for more home improvement ideas that make your home look like $1 million without spending a fortune. Don't forget to subscribe to Property Via and tanmarket.com and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos on real estate, property management, home design, landscaping, investing, and home improvement.